Hello everyone, my name is Sean Hendricks. I'm at the Autodesk Anaheim User Group, and I'm here with Bill Polson from Pixar. And he's going to be up on our stage shortly talking about some of the open Subdiv technology that Pixar has been working on. And so what I want to do is just ask you a few questions about the technology and kind of where you guys are going with it. Now obviously we've been talking a lot online and through videos about how Autodesk and Pixar have been working together to try and bring this to the public. Could you tell me a little bit about what you think are the big benefits for the industry at large for this, this technology?
Sure. Well, we've been building subdivision surfaces into our models for nearly 20 years, 14 feature films, about 50,000 models. And we've been, we would love to have a standard in the industry so that every one of our models will run in every one of the software packages that we purchase, whether it's Maya or Mudbox or 3D Max or anything, or from another vendor, for example. And we felt that the thing that was in the way of that was that we had some tricky stuff, and maybe there's some flaws in the algorithm to get it onto GPU, and some patent issues, and we thought, let's just get all those solved, get all the code boxed up, put it out online, and make it available for free to everybody. So we've done that. That's open Subdiv. But to encourage the industry to adopt that, we've been working with Maya, as you know, to get it into Maya. And we think Maya is going to really give the jump start to the rest of the ecosystem, because everybody downstream gets their models from Maya. So once Maya has it in there, then the game engines will follow suit, and the graphics card manufacturers will follow suit, and so forth. So we see Maya as the key to this. We're working very closely with the Maya team.
Now, I know another question that I've seen come up online after we released our series of interviews with you guys. A lot of people, I think, have a hard time understanding what the difference is between what you guys are doing and kind of the general mesh smoothing technologies that are in a lot of the 3D products out there. So a lot of people are like, well, I already have that. What do I need that for? So could you maybe define a little bit how Open Subdiv is different from what's out there?
Absolutely. So what most people have is, say, Catmull Clark subdivision, but kind of the bare bones stuff that was invented in 1974 by Ed Catmull, our founder. And what we've added is the extended features, which are edge creasing and face-varying subdivision and hierarchical edits. And we've also added a GPU capability for all of that. So almost everybody has a basic capability to draw a subdivision surface without creasing or hierarchy, but they can do it on the CPU. And they're going to find it very difficult to move that capability to the GPU. We did a lot of heavy lifting to get that onto the GPU, and that's all part of Open Subdiv.
Perfect. I know it's been interesting watching the reaction of people to this. I think it really does take someone getting right in front of the technology and seeing it actually do something to give people the impression of what's coming out with it. Any last thoughts on kind of the experience you've had working with Autodesk and bringing this all together? What's the whole process been like for you guys?
Well, it's been a blast. We actually have an on-site engineer. Someone who works on the Maya development team. He works at Pixar. He's in the hallway with our R&D team. He shares an office with one of our Subdiv engineers. And so that's how closely we've been working with the Maya team. And it's been really cool because, the Maya team has talked about, let's get rid of polygons. Let's make it so that the artist doesn't have to worry about where these things are. And I think that actually subdivision technology is perfect for that, because it's a hierarchical, multi-resolution surface description, so we have the capability in the math now to handle that edit at any level. So really, we do have this future that we can get rid of the polygons, and I'm just really excited to be part of that vision, which I think is great. That comes from the Maya team, and I wholeheartedly endorse it, and I think that the subdivision technology we're promoting will enable that vision, and so it's been a blast to work with you guys.
Thank you very much, Bill. I appreciate you coming out not just to do the presentation, but for the interviews, and I'm sure we'll be talking a lot more in the future. So again, that's Sean Hendricks here at the Autodesk Anaheim User Group, and we'll be checking back with you in another video.